Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a title field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the title field. Drag and drop the title field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the title field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The title field allows you to add a title to the form that will be displayed on the front end of the form. The HTML tag feature enables you to customize the format of your titles. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the title field. You can personalize the subtitle format by using the HTML tag feature. Using this option, you can customize the subtitle alignment for this field: left, center, or right. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. This option allows you to add an icon or logo before the title and subtitle of a form element. This option enables you to choose the label alignment for this field. You can select from 3 alignment options: left, center, or right. This option allows you to customize the layout of the title and icon in 4 directions: vertical, vertical reserve, horizontal, and horizontal reserve. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the title field. Here, you can see that the title field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.